Hello YouTube, welcome again. Cichlid Tank here. Today we're going to discuss about my whole African cichlid tank and all those basic things. So stay connected. And one more thing I want to share with you, my friends. I share some best Amazon links for you. Go and check those links. So stay connected, my friends.
Hey, hello YouTube, welcome again. Secret Tank here, and today we're going to discuss about. I told you before, but again I repeat. Today we're going to discuss about how we can keep our aquarium, or especially African cichlids, how to keep successfully. All those things we're going to discuss in that video. So let's start the video, my friends. First of all, I want to tell you, my friends, if you having mix or any kind of African cichlids, or you can say Malawi, Tanganyikan, or Victorian, then first you need to check your parameters. Water parameters is a very important thing according to me, or lots of fish keeper know about that, and this is a very important thing. If your water parameters is a perfect, then your fish can live happily and healthy. So this is the first key point. You should remember that thing first. In water parameters, friends, I want to tell you about the pH, KH, GH, but especially you should understand about that. And only thing that you do not change the pH and leave it as it, because it's depend totally on your water condition. Your African cichlid pH should be around 7.6. It's sufficient for African, any kind of African cichlids. And one more important thing is in water parameter is your water temperature. 27 or 26 degree, I repeat, my friends, 26 degrees Celsius is a perfect water temperature for any kind of African cichlids, or this is a completely ideal temperature for African cichlids. Then you should remember that thing, my friends. After water or condition, friends, I want to tell you about the feedings. Lots of people getting confused about that, and I again repeat that thing in that video. Please do not overfeed your cichlids or any kind of freshwater fish or any kind of a marine fishes. You should not feed them, or you can say like overfeeding. Please don't do that. Only one time in a 120, so one, or I want to tell you, yeah, only one time in a 24 hours. This is sufficient for them. So let's come to the topic about our African cichlids. I give feed them, or I feed them um, in a day at once. This is perfect for their metabolism, and all those things matter there. If your fish remains somewhere in your aquarium, then definitely that's a totally equally like a wastage of fish, and they reason because of that ammonia will be grow in your aquarium, and this is the actual causes of increasing ammonia in our aquarium. So please don't overfeed them and remove all remaining food from your aquarium. And friends, that's little and basic things. If you rule, or I want to tell you, if you keep or you can understand, then definitely you can be a better, or you can become a better fish keeper. This is a basic and important things. Or I want to tell you about the African cichlids, water temperature and feeding on time. This is a important thing. And opposite exactly that, I want to tell you, my friends, choose your tank mates, or choose your fishes according to your understanding. Please do not buy any kind of a fish if you don't know about any specific species. Then please don't buy, because of that lots of people getting confused, and lots of rumors uh, coming in a market, or in a social, or we can say in a people thinking like that fish are bad, or that thing is bad, because of our misunderstanding, friends. Please, if you know about the completely that particular fish, then definitely you should buy. But if you don't know about that particular fish, then please don't buy. Because of that, what happened exactly, if we don't know about like one specific species, and if we buy, then definitely that fish will what we can say, that fish we won't be controlled by ourselves, and we can say like that fish is a bad, and please don't buy these. Please don't do that, friends. And that's why I'm telling you, please choose your tank mates very wisely, and if you control that particular or specific fish, then definitely you should buy. So let's come to the topic, and I want to telling about the water temperature. Your water temperature should be perfect according to your freshwater fishes, according to your African cichlids, and don't overfeed them. Second point, and third one is a water changing. 20% water change once in a week. This is a better formation, and this is a better format and structure for keeping African cichlids or any kind of cichlids. That's why if you can run that kind of cycle, then your tank ammonia will be reduced definitely. That thing and that basic thing I want to share with you and my friends. I want to show you that beautiful tank, and lots of things happen in my tank. I changing structure, all those things happen recently, all those things you can say, and that basic things I want to telling with you. That's why I shoot that video. So stay connected my friends. Thanks for your love and support. Save the animal and nature.